Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another project. Today we're making these super cute, super quick stuffed candy canes with pinked edges. Use them to fill up your Christmas time baskets, bowls, or tiered trays. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com and check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern. It has the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, color photos, and the printable template. Or, to save paper, just read through the directions on your device and then print out just the template page. All right, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need fabric for the candy canes, polyester fiberfill stuffing, pinking shears, and of course the printable candy cane templates. First, place one piece of fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down. On top, place the other piece of fabric with the right side facing up. Cut out the paper templates and arrange both templates on the stack and pin them in place. Be sure to leave an equal amount of space between each candy cane. Rough cut between the templates. Stitch the candy cane together by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper, leaving a section open below the upper curve for stuffing. Remove the templates and use pinking shears or scissors to trim 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch outside the stitching lines. Use the opening to stuff the candy canes with fiberfill, filling them as full as desired. Move the stuffing away from the opening and stitch the opening closed. Readjust the stuffing and retrim the opening for a neater look. And just like that, just that fast, you have cute little fabric candy canes that took you no time at all to sew up. If you'd like to see more quick and easy sewing projects like this one, check out some of my other video tutorials. See you next time with another project.